Well, hello friends. Welcome to Kiss Up Cards. Keep it simple, stamping up. And that's what I always want to bring to you. That's my motto, is just making cards, making them simple but yet elegant and beautiful, ones that you want to send out, sharing kindness one card at a time. And so tonight I'm going to do an unboxing. So I veered away from my usual Tuesday template and Thursday tip time. But tonight I want to share with you an unboxing, and then stay with me to the end because I may have something that you might want to in. And so I'm going to keep you hanging. So let's get to my craft table and let's see what I have ordered this month. And it's interesting because I always forget what I order. So I was looking at some stamp sets that other crafters were using, and I'm like, oh, I gotta get that sailboat stamp. I'm gonna have to put that in my next order. Well, guess what's in my order? The sailboat stamp. So it's like, yeah, okay, so I do forget what I have put in here. So I've got stamps, I've got paper, I've got some other little doodads. I'm going to show you all of that. It won't take long, and then stay tuned for the end. Let's get to my craft table. Here are some stamp sets that I bought. And this one on top, I'm really excited about. This is by Julie Davidson. She developed it. She reached $1 million in sales with Stampin' Up. And that is a special milestone. A very small percentage of demonstrators reach that goal. She's been doing this for 20 plus years now, but she was able to develop a stamp set. That's one of the, I think the perks of making $1 million sales. You get to make a stamp. And I have another $1 million sales lady that I follow. She made $1 million in sales, and I have her stamp set as well. So I thought, I want to get this one. And I love the fonts. They're large, and then they're easy to cut around, which is fussy cut. And then it has little stamps to, dress up a card or a tag, whatever. The ideas for this one is just a lot. And thinking of you could be thinking of you if you're sick, or it's a sympathy card, whatever. Thinking of you on your birthday, just that can be used for so many things. So this one I'm excited about. This was the one I was talking about. The sailboat one. Again, this is easy to fussy cut. It's got some great fonts, sayings, happy retirement. I didn't have that one. You're destined for great things would be great for a graduation card, which I have a graduate in my family from grade 8, my granddaughter. So this is I've seen some really great cards with the sailboat as well. So looking forward to that. And then blooming phrases. I've seen this on cards, and this is really beautiful on cards, again, with little stamps. And so I'd always wanted to get this one as well. So I got this stamp set. Then we're going to go into paper. I just have my box beside me. I did get the new catalog because you get one free catalog in your order. I still like shopping online because you know what? There are online exclusives that are available and they're not in the catalog. So you might as well look at everything online. I picked up some espresso cardstock. Really like the dark brown. I didn't have any dark brown anymore. And then this is a new color, strawberry slush. Doesn't that sound yummy? So I'm looking forward to, I find it's not as bright as the melon mambo, but a subtler color. So I'm looking forward to that. Then I guess I must have wanted dark brown. This is early espresso. So you think that they're dark brown, but there is a little bit of a difference in the browns. So, and this is 12 by 12. So Stampin' Up is getting into scrapbooking as well. I used to scrapbook. I'm not going there now. I'm into cards. but that is scrapbooking paper. So if you're a scrapbooker, take a look at what's available. All right, this is the Refreshed Beauty set. So you're going to get, there's 2 sheets of each. So this has birds on it. I don't know if you can see that. Owls, actually, in the greens. And this is beautiful. It looks like Queen Anne's lace in that pretty color. Some flying birds and some still birds. So you get 2 pages of each. This looks like thistles. So it's just really bright colors. Actually, this might go with the strawberry slush really well. Yeah, it does. And the browns, for sure. For sure. Put that back there. Sorry, I'm looking at the underside. So this is side A, which has more of the bigger, bolder looks. And side B is always the more smaller, muted looks. So you can see this. These would be great for cards as well. This is the thistles I had pulled out. Some greenery. Oh, this is different greenery. It's more oak leaves, and this is just leaves. And then this would be good too. So that is the Refreshed Beauty 12 by 12 designer series paper. This one is called Country Woods. This one I really like. I think the Refreshed Beauty I got on sale. I got a lot of paper. So the Country Flavors is just that. It's just, look at how beautiful, like the wood tones. Really great for fall or the male population for making cards. Look at that, how beautiful that is. All the different wood grains. And then, so that's side A. Let's flip it over to side B. Smaller, more muted. I love this. So old looking. This would be great for card. This is this here. And then this would be really good too. Very beachy looking. So that's the Country Flavor, 12 by 12 paper. This has a country theme as well. This is Weekend Adventures. So you got the buffalo plaid. On this one, it's a little different. You get 4 of each. And this is like arrowheads in the greens. This is a compass and boot marks and maybe a little cooler or something. So that's the A side, and this is the B side. A little bit more muted, but these are little acorns on here. This is black and white striped, and this is blue. This would be good for sky. So that is Weekend Adventure. I'll show those to you. Those are the ephemeras. This is a new paper pack. This is called Peaceful Garden. I think the Weekend Adventure is a new paper pack as well. Those bold colors, flowers, beautiful. Just, oh my gosh, look at this. I'm seeing this for the first time with you guys. I just had a chance to open the box the other day, and that's it. Oh, this is beautiful. Kind of muted watercolor. Some more doves. Beautiful for sympathy cards. And then looks like baby's breath. So that's side A. Now let's go to side B. And so we have this looking really nice. This is pretty too. Look at this. It's like vines. That's gorgeous as well. Diamond shapes. This looks like mini stars on this paper. So really beautiful, beautiful paper. Now with this one comes the ephemera. So this is really cool in that you get some of these designs and then you can build your card with the paper and the ephemera, and it has tags. It's really beautiful. So you get 2 sheets, I think, of... And one of the things that you'll notice on the back is it'll have peaceful days. Oh, this is a sticker sheet. This is not ephemera, this is sticker sheet. It tells you the colors that's on here. Cloud cover, crumb cake, misty moonlight, pecan pie, secret sea. That's a new color as well. Cloud cover is another new color. So that's that goes together, and it doesn't have to go together at all. Then I love the use of glitter paper with some of the designs. I haven't even opened this one yet. Let me just open this up. Using it as a background or using it on a card. So there's like a bright blue. There's a, that's maybe a black or a dark, dark blue, a silver. So you get 6 sheets, and they're, with some of these designs, it's going to make just beautiful cards. So you'll see that in upcoming videos that I'll make with the shimmer paper. That was Peaceful Garden. Okay. And then with the outdoor paper, the weekend weekend paper, there's some ephemeras as well. I think they're ephemeras. Nope, it's a sticker sheet as well. So that's really cool. So it's just stickers. And you just stick them on, so you don't even need glue. So that's kind of cool. Really cool. Then the last few things I got, I picked up this. This is Stampin' Up! Masking paper. So I'm going to show you, you're going to see that in upcoming videos as well, what to do with Stampin' masking paper. It's kind of boring just looking at it. This is Winkostella. And I've seen it used, and I haven't purchased it, but Winkostella adds glimmer to things that you've got. So say you have a butterfly and you want to put some glimmer on the petals, or you've made a flower and you want to put some glimmer on, or stars, anything really. This adds the glimmer to it. So I have to figure out how to use it yet, but that is Winkostella. So put that together. Winkostella brush. And this you'll see in upcoming videos too, is your take your pick tool. So it has different ends on it, and one of them is really good for picking up. Yeah, this end, whoops, is good for picking up the little dots. Sometimes they're hard to pick up, and they're all double-ended, so you've got all kinds of ends on there. So we're going to work with that and show you how to do that. And this is a new thing for me. Oh, how did that go? Anyway, you don't have to watch me do that. I'll put that together. All right, so that was my unboxing. I always get excited about the designer series paper. So there we go, my unboxing. That's all my treats for this month. Some of it I got on sale, some of it I've been looking at for a while, like those stamp sets. And the paper, I got some that's on sale and some that are brand new, new designs. So I'm looking forward to working with it. Now here's what I want to offer. I know sometimes like you're not into great amount of card making, but you would like some of the paper. So what I would like to offer to you is that I can offer you a quarter of this sheet. So I would cut up, I could cut up all these papers that I got today. Or you could look at a package and say, hey, I'd like to try the garden walk one, which is all these blues and the blue flowers, the peaceful garden, this one. You go back and look through the video and say, oh, I would like the peaceful garden. I would like a quarter sheet of each of those. And then I would mail it out to you. Or if you live close by, we could make some sort of an arrangement. So you could have a copy of all of them, even the glitter paper. I still have to work out the pricing. I just thought of this today, so I'm just like, my ideas are ahead of me before I have the practical stuff done. So I'll put the prices down below. But you could have a quarter sheet, and then if you get a quarter sheet of the peaceful garden, I would throw in some of the stickers in it as well. Or you just want the paper. You can design this and I would send it out, and it would be plus postage. So let me know if you're interested. Either email me or put it in the comments what you would like to do. I would be glad to share that. Paper can add up pretty fast, and if you can't use it quickly, or you would like to a larger assortment but not all those packages, then you can do it this way. So I would be glad. That's a service that I would like to offer from here on in, that if you see some paper and you'd say, I would like some of that, certainly connect with me. Even some of the past ones, if I still have some of those, I would be glad to ship some off to you. So if you've seen someone like maybe the toadstool paper or something, you never know. So that is the offer I'm offering you today. So that's my video for tonight. Not a Thursday tip time, but a Thursday sharing time, an unboxing, and maybe a way for you to get started into cards is, I would like some paper, but I don't want an overabundance of paper. So let me know. We could work something out. And maybe in the card stock as well. If you don't want a lot of card stock or all of the same color, let me know and I can, cut it in a smaller portion so that it'll be in a smaller envelope, and then I could mail it out to you as well. So let me know, because I want you to get into card making. I want you to share kindness one card at a time. I shared on Tuesday night just how important sharing that kindness is, and I want to make a confession here. I'm better at making the cards than sending the cards. I am not very good at that, but I want to get better at it. So I'm trying to think of ways to encourage myself, but maybe encourage you as well, how we can do that. Maybe mail out Monday or something, or I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, I want to get better at sending them. I'm really good at grabbing one if I'm going out somewhere. That I have a girlfriend's birthday coming up. Oh yeah, I know just the birthday card I want to give her. And so I've got that all together with a gift for her. But to mail them out, I do it once in a while, but I'm not very good at it. So confessions of a card maker. So encourage me as I encourage you to share kindness one card at a time. Thank you.